Hi children, welcome to the session. This is Aruna, your maths teacher from our school, Bharadasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to see 7th standard maths children. The second chapter is fractions. So we have learnt about fractions. Fraction is used to share equally among our friends and brothers and sisters, right? So in this fractions we are going to see the problems which is we are going to face the day-to-day life problems only we are going to solve now. Okay. See, the question is, a milkman has 25 1/5 liter of milk. He filled 14 bottles of equal capacity with this milk. What is the capacity of each bottle? Is it clear? The question is, the total capacity is given and it should be shared equally in how many bottles? 14 bottles, and we are going to find the capacity of one bottle. Okay. So, how we are going to find? See, if it is given more and we need to find for 1, we will divide, right. First we are going to write the answer like, see, capacity of milk equal to 25 1/5 liter of milk is there, okay, and it is going to share in 14 bottles. So, number of bottles is 14 and it is going to divided into 14 bottles. So, what is the capacity of each bottle is the question. So, capacity of each is 1. So, capacity of one bottle equal to, how we will find total capacity of the milk divided by number of bottles. So, total capacity is what? 25 1/5 divided by number of bottle is 14. Okay. Now, which is given in mixed fraction here, 25 1/5, is it? How to convert this into improper? We will multiply this 5 and 25. The product we are going to add with the numerator 1. Multiply this 25 into 5. What will be the product? Yes, 5 5s are 25. So, 5 remaining is 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Very good. 125. So, 125 plus the numerator is what? 1. So, 125 plus 1 is 126 by 5. Here 14 is a whole number. Already we know that the whole numbers we can consider as fraction by taking the denominator as 1. Okay. So, what will happen? The divide symbol will be changed into, it will be replaced as multiply. The first fraction will be same, divide will be replaced as multiply, and the second fraction which is 14 by 1 will be changed into the multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse? The other name, children? Yes, it is reciprocal. Very good. So, 14 by 1 we can write as 1 by 14. Now, we need to solve this. So, already we have known that numerator and denominator we can cancel with the same number, right. So, what is the multiples of this 126 and 14? Both have the common factor in 7 table, okay. How many 7s we can cancel here? 7 2s are 14, very good, 2. And here 126, first we will take 12. In 12 how many 7 are there? 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are is 14, which is greater than the 12. So, we are going to take 1 time. So, 1, 7 1s are 7. So, what is remaining in that? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 5 is the remaining. Now, 5 will be joined with this as 56. Now, how many times 7 in 56? 7, yes, 7 8s are 56. So, 18 into 1, the denominator is 5 into 2. Now, the next step we can write 18 into 1 by 5 into 2. See whether we can simplify this again. 18 and 2 in which table? In 2 table. Very good. So 2 one time, and how many times 2 can be cancelled in this? 18. So 18, that is 9 times. 2 9s are 18. Now we can multiply the numerator. 9 into 1, 9 1s are 9 by 5 1s are 5. Now 9 by 5 is a improper fraction, need to be converted into what? Mixed fraction. So divide this 9 in 5 table. How many times you can divide? 5 1s are 5. The remainder is 4. Okay. So first in the whole number place we are going to write the quotient. So what is the quotient in this? 1 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. So in the whole number place quotient is 1, and in the numerator part remainder is 4, and the divisor will be 5. So 9 by 5 we can change and write like as 1 4 by 5. Is it clear? So we find that capacity of one bottle. So capacity of each bottle is 1 4 by 5 liter of milk. Is it clear how to find the answer for the capacity of each bottle? Okay. The next problem is, see the next problem is area of rectangle is 162 1 by 2 square meter. Find the breadth. See if its length is 16 2 by 3 meter. Usually length and breadth will be given, we will find the area, right? But here area is given and length is given, and we need to find the breadth of the rectangle. See, we know how the rectangle will be. See, this is the rectangle. In this rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel, right? So this is length, the opposite side also the length will be equal and parallel, and this will be as breadth. Here the length value is 16 2 by 3 meter. Okay, and area is nothing but the closed surface by the closed figure. Okay, so the area which the space occupied inside the shape is the area. So which is given as 162 1 by 2 meter square. Okay, how to find the breadth now from this? See, solution is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula we will use here. What is the area of rectangle formula, children? Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. L into B square units. So this is the formula for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is given here. So the value of this area of rectangle is 162 1 by 2 equal to length value also we have known, which is 16 2 by 3 into breadth only we are going to find, right? So we are going to keep breadth on the left side and remaining all the numbers on the right side. Okay. So first we will transpose the 16 2 by 3, which is in multiply. So the opposite of multiplication is division, right? When you are going to transpose this number to the opposite side, it is in multiplication. It will be transposed to the opposite side as divide. Okay. See, 162 1 by 2 divided by 16 2 by 3 equal to the breadth. Usually we will keep this breadth on the left side, remaining all the numbers on the right side. Now, so just we are going to change LHS and RHS. See, B, that is breadth equal to 162 1 by 2 divided by 16 2 by 3. Now we can convert this 162 1 by 2 into improper. Just we are going to multiply this 2, which is 162 into 2. So just multiply this 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 remaining is 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. So, the product of this two number is 324. Add with the numerator 1. What will be the answer? 325 by 2 divided by 16. 2 by 3 also we are going to convert. Now, 3 into 16. So, find the product of this. 16 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 8. Remaining is 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 48. Very good. Add with this 2. 48 plus 2. 49. 50. So, 50 by the denominator is 3. Now, we know how to solve the two fractions in division. Okay. So, what we will do? The first number 325 by 2 will be same. And the next symbol, divide, will be replaced as what? Very good, multiplication. And the second number 50 by 3 will be replaced as what? The reciprocal, which is 3 by 50. See, now 325 and 50 are the multiples of 5 table. So, in 5 table, 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. Here 32. How many times in 5? 5 6 are 5 6 are 30. 31, 32. Remaining is 2. Now, if the 2 is joined here, it will be 25. How many 5s are there in 25? 5 5s are. So, 5 5s are 25. So, 65 times you can cancel this 325 in 5 table. Okay. Now, write the remaining 65 into 3 by 2 into 10. Again, we can cancel this 10 and 65 in 5 table. So, directly also you can use 25 table, or else 5 table ones, again we can use 5 table, children. So, 5 2s are 10. Here 5 1s are 5. 5 after 6, 1 is remaining. If 1 is joined here, it will be 15, right. So, now how many times in 5 table? 5 3s are, very good. So, 13 times. 13 into 3, numerator we can multiply. Multiply this, 3 3s are what? 9. 3 1s are 3 by 2 2s are 4. Now, we got the answer as 39 by 4, which is in improper. Try to convert in mixed now. So, how we will convert this? 39 in 4 table. 39, how many times we can divide in 4 table? 4 9s are, what 4 9s are? 36. 4 9s are 36. So, remainder is 9 minus 6 is 3. We can express this improper into mixed as the quotient is 9. The remainder is 3 in the numerator by the denominator is 4. So, 9 3 by 4 meter. So, therefore, the breadth of the given rectangular field is 9 3 by 4 meter. Is it clear, children? So, wherever in our day to day life you want to find the area of rectangle or area of square, we can use to multiply or divide like this. Is it clear? The next one more problem what we are going to see is, when the product of two number is given here 4 by 9, and in that two number one of the number also is given. So, one of the number is 7 by 17. What will be the other number? That is the question. Okay. See, what is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication, and one of the number is given. What will be the other number? So, first we will consider, let the other number be x. Okay. So, first we will take one of the number is 7 by 17. Product means multiplication. So, product of two numbers, first number product is multiplication, and second number, that is the other number we have taken as x, equal to, what is the product of these two numbers is given here? Yes, 4 by 9. So, if we find the value of x, we can know what is the other number also, okay children. So, x equal to 4 by 9. See 7 by 17, which is in multiply here. If it is transposed to the opposite side, what will happen? The opposite of multiplication is, yes, division, divided by 7 by 17. Now, we know that the first number 4 by 9, we are going to write as it is, 4 by 9, and divide is going to replace as multiplication. Then 7 by 17, the multiplicative inverse is, yes, 17 by 7, and we need to simplify this. Is it possible to simplify the numbers? 4 and 7, it is not possible. 4 and 9 is also not possible. So, directly with numerator we can multiply, and denominator also we can multiply here. 17, 4, the numerator is 17 into 4. What is the product here? 4 sevens are 28, 8, remaining is 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, the answer is 68. So, the numerator is 68 by the denominator. The denominator is 9 into 7. What 9 sevens are? 9 sevens are 63. Now, 68 by 63 is a improper fraction. Convert into mixed now. 68 divided by 63. So, one time it is possible to divide, right? 63 ones are 63. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 is the remainder. Now, in the whole number place, we are going to write the quotient, which is 1. The remainder is 5 in the numerator, and the divisor will be 63. So, 1 5 by 63 is the other number. Therefore, the other number equal to 1 5 by 63. Is it clear? So, therefore, the other number equal to 1 5 by 63. We find the answer for this. Okay children, using this problems, you can solve the model problems which is given in the question bank also. See, here we have the study material for this exercise 2.6. In this, we have solved the question as well as with the answer you will have in the study material. Where the study material will be? In the description box. Okay. And next to this, there is a question bank. See, question bank is nothing but in this exercise, whatever questions is given in your book is given in this. Okay. So, the first problem I taught you na, the same model you can try the next problems also. That is why we have given the questions to you. After you are solving this, check the study material with your answers and you can clarify your answers also. Next, there is a self-assessment for you. So, by seeing this self-assessment, there is a question paper of 25 marks. So, you can solve the answers and you can evaluate yourself how much you have learned children. Okay. This study material, question bank and self-assessment is attached in the description box under the video children. Okay. Thank you.